Pristine ingots of copper, nickel, and zinc gleam under stark factory lights, awaiting their transformation.
Ingots journey on a conveyor towards a furnace, light shifting from cool to an intense, transformative orange.
Molten metal pours into a casting machine, a dull red strip emerging, sparks illuminating the colossal transformation. Colossal rolling mills flatten a dull gray metal strip, emerging thinner, wider, and gleaming, a testament to force.
A punching press rhythmically cuts circular blanks from gleaming metal, the web of scrap continuing its path. Individual silver blanks feed into an upsetting mill, a specialized die precisely forming a distinct raised rim.
A freshly minted, gleaming silver coin rests on velvet, its crisp details highlighted by soft studio lighting.
A stream of coins passes optical sensors, a scratch triggering a pneumatic arm to reject a flawed coin.
A bank teller's hands precisely count gleaming coins, a satisfying sound in a professional bank lobby.
Security personnel load armored trucks with coin bags on a secure dock, overseen by security cameras.
The original pure metal ingots reappear, gleaming under factory lights, symbolizing the enduring cycle. Molten copper and nickel pour into a crucible, swirling into mesmerizing patterns, highlighting metallurgy's alchemy.
A crisp, animated diagram reveals a coin's layers, copper core and nickel plating, rotating for detail. Glowing orange-red molten alloy pours from a crucible, slowly filling a deep rectangular mold with shimmering heat.
A dull red metal slab enters hot rolling mills, thinning and elongating, steam rising from the glowing strip. A dull gray metal strip slowly enters a massive, glowing, annealing furnace, intense heat shimmering at the entrance.
An extreme close-up reveals a blanking die's highly polished, dark steel surface with razor-sharp cutting edges. A gleaming metal sheet feeds into a powerful blanking press, rapidly punching out multiple circular blanks. Thousands of dull silver blanks tumble with abrasive media inside a massive rotating barrel, polishing them. Smoother, brighter silver blanks are agitated in a stainless steel water bath, clear water rinsing residue.
An extreme close-up focuses on a gleaming silver blank entering an upsetting mill, forming a perfect raised rim.
A hydraulic press slowly descends, impressing a master die's intricate design onto new tool steel, showing precision. A hardened, polished working die is meticulously inspected under a magnifying glass, revealing flawless detail. Gleaming silver blanks, each with a raised rim, approach a coining press on a precise conveyor belt.
An extreme close-up captures the coining press striking a blank, a bright flash transforming it instantly. Freshly minted coins are rapidly ejected from the coining press, clattering into a shimmering collection pile.
A transparent hopper feeds mixed coins into an automated sorting machine, separating them into clear tubes. A specialized machine rapidly stacks and wraps coins into paper rolls, ejecting a finished, secured roll.
A vigilant security guard observes the bustling coin production floor, his posture conveying authority and control.
Silver blanks feed into a reading machine, precisely impressing fine grooves onto their edges, highlighting detail.
A dynamic montage showcases historical coin designs, rapidly transitioning, emphasizing currency's evolution. An extreme close-up on a bright red LED digital counter reveals rapidly increasing numbers, emphasizing scale.
A coin die is partially submerged in a clear, bubbling electroplating bath, acquiring a new, harder layer. A gleaming silver blank enters a milling machine, its edge precisely forming a perfectly uniform, raised rim. A gleaming metal sheet feeds into a powerful blanking press, rapidly punching out multiple circular blanks. The web of scrap metal moves into a shredder, large blades tearing it into pieces for recycling. Smoother, brighter silver blanks are agitated in a stainless steel water bath, clear water rinsing residue. Thousands of dull silver blanks tumble with abrasive media inside a massive rotating barrel, polishing them.
An optical scanner sweeps blue light across a gleaming coin, digitally revealing every detail and flaw.
A stream of rejected coins falls from a chute into a reject bin, their loud clatter signifying strict quality control.
Canvas bags of coins move on a conveyor towards a dimly lit concrete tunnel. Security cameras emphasize transport.
Seven, 8, 9, 10 pennies. Mine is taller than yours. It's wobbling.
A dynamic montage showcases international coins, rapidly transitioning, highlighting global interconnectedness. A diamond-tipped stylus marks a newly minted coin on a testing rig, demonstrating its durability.
A single coin gradually loses its luster, details smoothing, reading, fading, symbolizing years of circulation.
A stream of old, worn coins moves on a conveyor into a melting furnace, heat haze shimmering for recycling.
Glowing orange-yellow molten metal from recycled coins pours into ingot molds, symbolizing rebirth. A newly formed, dull red metal ingot from recycled metal glows, heat haze rising, symbolizing a new beginning.
Look at the sheer force required for this screw press. It's incredible.
And these replicas are stunning. The detail on this silver one.
An ornate stone fountain cascades blue water over tiers, thousands of glittering coins symbolizing wishes.
Gleaming coins scattered on dark velvet, with a glowing subscribe button and a notification bell inviting engagement.
A rapid montage summarizes coin production. Molten metal to widespread use, raw industrial to precise automation.